also what you can do is just have a little look at the bottom there, and I'll zoom in. Ooh, there we are. And what you'll find is there are 2 dampeners, and I'll point those out on the thingamajig for you. And these dampeners, it says here in the DJI manual, and you'll see them there. There's one on the left side there, and then there's one on the right side here. And basically what they do is they just help, well, as called dampeners really, they help to dampen the effects of the movement on the gimbal as the drone is flying. And from here it says that the dampeners should be replaced every 200 hours or after 1 year of use. So at the moment I am in my 1 year of use. So really I need to go and have a look on the old Tinterweb about the basic and the standard servicing options that are available for the Matrice. And this would be carried out by a, oh, there you are, you've got a better indication there. This would be carried out by a reputable, licensed or approved drone or DJI Enterprise Service Centre, sort of support centre as it were. So I will need to have a look at that.